Kani gadega pati CCTV, bat pidang pet yaki kubor baman kasni.
Meghalaya AIDS Control Society Shillong, ringkat ke jingtrelang bat ke Piramal Swasthya Research Institute and Management and Plan India. Henne kasngi ke arp khandai trek ujamang kala pelongi ke jing aja hikai yap ki nong trei ki bapen ki laboratory jong ke PHC bat CHC baper ki baran hapo ke East Khas Hills District. Halor kumno banyele persya banrat dingkhong ke jing pang HIV AIDS. Ya kini kejing aji kai ke basisngi ya ke balak tepru kum ke District Resource Team Training for Laboratory Technicians la pelong hapo Conference Hall jong ke Pasteur Institute hapo Laumali Shillong. Ha kini kesingi lai don langru Director jong ke Health Services Research etc. Meghalaya Shillong u Dr. T Nong Klau nang ta ke Project Director jong ke Meghalaya AIDS Control Society Shillong i Dr. S Lingdo bat kiwi.
We are all aware that the incidence of HIV/AIDS in Meghalaya has been on the increasing, and it seems that in the last 4 or 5 years it has been increased by about 0.7% or something, as I've seen in the internet. Whatever it is, but there has been a sharp increase of HIV/AIDS in Meghalaya in the last 4 or 5 years. Everyone should have a commitment right from the top to the bottom, that we should work sincerely with honesty to eradicate, to remove this dreadful disease, which has started prevalent in our people, in the society. So I would like to urge you all to kindly come forward and work with a commitment and work with sincerity. Through this training you will learn a lot and start working, and then we'll try to remove this menace from the society and from the people. So what I want to urge you once again to kindly learn from here. Not only learn, but give your best commitment. Let us work together as health workers from top to bottom. We'll work together and change the society. This dreadful disease should be eliminated from our people, from the society, and we'll bring back health and safety to our people.